The Alumni plugin is designed to help connect current students and employees of your institution with alumni by organizing events. Alumni will receive their invitations through email. They can then choose to accept or decline the invitations. When organizing events, you can assign any of the current employees or students as coordinators and organizers for the event. You will find the Alumni module under Collaboration. Students become alumni after they have graduated from a batch, and that list of alumni students can be checked in this link. Let's make a group of students alumni. To do that, we'll go to Settings, Manage Course Batch, Manage Batch. This is where we'll use the option Batch Transfer to make or graduate the students. So we'll select the batch. So let's say this is the batch which is graduating. So we'll use this option of graduation for this batch, and the list of students will come up. We can mention the status and select the leaving date. So all these 5 students are now graduated. So these 5 students will be shown as former students when we go to reports and check the former student details. So we can see the 5 students of this batch who are now alumni for the Fedena Institute. So let's invite them for an alumni event. We'll go to Collaboration, Alumni, and we can also check the list of alumni from this link. Here, a course is listed as an alumni course only when all the students in the batch have graduated and the batch is inactive. So here you will see the list of inactive batches, and all the students of these batches are either graduated or batch transferred. So I'll select the course, and the year of completion as per the batch's end date in this course will come up. I'll select that year and I'll select the batch. So this is the batch that we just graduated the students from. I'll click on Show Alumni, and it will give me the same list that I was able to see in the former students list. So I get to see the name of the students, their admission number, the year in which they graduated, their last attended course, and their last batch. To invite these alumni, I can use this option of Invite Alumni, or I can also create an alumni event first before inviting. So let's create an alumni event. So I'll give the event title, and when is the event going to take place? That can be selected from here, the date as well as the time. We can mention the event description. So we've created this event now. Now we can enter the alumni who we want to invite from here. We can enter the coordinators and organizers as well, or we can invite the users later. We have created the event now. So this is the one that I just created. Event 2 was the one that I've already created and already invited the students for. Event 1, there are no invitations as of now. So we've just created this event. Let's invite alumni. So I'll use this option of Invite Alumni and select the event for which I want to invite. So that is Event 1. Here I'll click on Invite, and it will take me to the same page that we visited when we created this event. Now I'll select the alumni. It will be the full batch. So I'll click on the batch name, the year of completion, and the final batch like this. So we have selected the batch which we want to invite for this event. A full batch can be invited at a time. We'll mention the invitation details, which will also go to the students of this batch. If we want to allow the alumni to comment on the event, we can check this option. Now it's time to add coordinators and organizers for the event who can be the current students or the current employees. So let's select an employee who will act as a coordinator for this event. So this is how we can select multiple employees and assign them as organizers. So we've added 2 employees from English department, and we can add a set of students as well. Again, it can be 1 or more students that we can make organizers for this event. So this is how the list will appear. So these are the coordinators and organizers that we've assigned. And then when we click on invite, these students and organizers, so the alumni and the organizers, will get an email inviting them for the event. So we can see the event details as well from here. We can check event 1. Invited are 5, which are the alumni of the batch that we invited. Accepted are 0. Declined are also 0. And 5 have not yet responded. So let's say I am one of the alumni and I've got an email regarding the alumni event. So this is how the email will look like. So it shows the name of the school. You have been invited to the following event. It shows the event title, the duration, and the description of the event. To join the event, you will get an option, join the event. So you can click on it. It will take you to this page where you can check the event details as well as the organizers. You can choose to accept or decline this event invitation. Once you accept, you'll also get an option to comment on the event. These comments will be visible to other users as well, so the other alumni who would want to accept or reject. So they can check who all are accepted, who all have accepted using the comments. As an administrator as well, I can check this. I can check the number of students who have accepted or declined, or again who have not responded for this event. The event also appears in the academic calendar of the institute. So when I go to calendar under academics, I can check the event coming here. So there are 2 events that are there for this day. This is the event that we just created. When the event is created, it also appears in the calendar. We can also email alumni of a particular batch. For that, we have to select the course and the year of completion and finally the batch. And we can mail the group of students together. We have to send a message and we can send it to all the students of that particular batch. So this is how you can connect the current students and employees of your institution with the alumni.